We have breaking news from Ottawa. A judge has sentenced former RCMP intelligence official Cameron Ortis to 14 years in prison for leaking classified information to police targets. Crown prosecutors were seeking a longer sentence that they called appropriate and necessary, given Ortis's crimes. The CBC's Rafi Boudjikanian is there outside of that courthouse. He, of course, joins us now with more details on all of this. So, Rafi, what can you tell us?
Hillary, after an 8-week trial, the judge actually went through the reading of the sentence pretty quick. It was all done in about half an hour. Cameron Ortis was escorted in by security. You could hear the chains on his legs clinking as he walked and was escorted to the box where he sat down and listened to the sentence being read aloud. The judge essentially said these were pretty grave crimes, and he did consider what the prosecution was asking for, which was a longer sentence, of course, 22 to 25 years, while the defense had pleaded that their client should serve 7 years only, citing the time he had already served and his good character, and even presenting some 26 letters from various people who knew Ortis attesting to that good character. Nevertheless, the judge said that what he did was quite consequential, that it did sort of hurt Canada's reputation among its Five Eyes allies, the US, the UK, and others. Just as a reminder, Ortis, of course, had access to state secrets in his role as an RCMP intelligence officer, and what he's been found guilty of is essentially leaking those secrets to a variety of targets of police investigation, including that BC tech company that was selling encrypted phones to criminals, as well as 3 people the prosecution said who were tied to international money laundering networks. And of course, that whole time the defense had said it is true that he's been in touch with these folks, but he was actually working on behalf of a foreign agency and was trying to get them to give him information. The judge did say this was a very strange case. He said Ortis's critics were saying there might have been financial motive behind his leaking of state secrets, but that was never actually established in court. The judge also said he fully expected that this case will be tested in higher courts, as it is the first of its kind. It's the first time a federal court reached a verdict about the violation of the Federal Security and Information Act.
Like you say, Rafi, for that reason, this is quite historic. So help us understand some of the ramifications now of this sentence.
Well, the biggest ramification clearly is that this is not quite over. So this will be cited in future case law, but I'm not quite sure what exactly will be cited yet, because the defense has made it clear they will be appealing Ortis's verdict. The judge himself, again, said he realizes that what he's doing today is quite unprecedented. So I mean, that'll be the next thing to watch for sure, just what happens next. There will likely also be a lot of discussions in Canada's public safety circles about what happened with this case. We'll be trying to ask Public Safety Minister Dominic LeBlanc about it over the course of today. I'm sure we'll see what he might have to say. There will be lots to watch out for, Hillary.
Okay. Rafi, thank you for this. We do appreciate the breaking news there from the CBC's Rafi Boudjikanian in Ottawa. Thank you.